and I am addicted to Rubik's Cubes.
So, what's been going on with him?
I don't know. Lately he's been addicted to Rubik's Cubes. He doesn't put it down. He uses it in the shower. When he takes a shit.
Interior garage.
Zion, I'm home! Hello? Hello? Oh God! Oh God! Bacon. Sorry, what you making? I don't. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. There's nothing on the. Even when he's asleep. Oh, Kevin Durant, and one, baby. Zion, you all right? Zion? Oh no, what's happening again? Oh no. Ah. Zion, you right? Zion. This is one time he was walking outside, walking home, and someone ran up and hit his Rubik's Cube out of his hand. Zion, are you home yet? Zion? Who's that? Call 911. We're fucking late. Even when we play Mortal Kombat, this man does not put the Rubik's Cube down.
Yeah, you trash. What's up now? Huh? Right in the face.
Big one. I thought you played this game before. How are you so easy to beat? Oh God. Not again.
Can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Like I said, have you completed a Rubik's Cube ever in your life?
Yes.
Yes. Ooh, nigga. Rubik's Cube, yes or no?
Ah!
Yes or no?
Stop! It's working! It's working! Stop!
Have you completed
Never completed one before! Stop!
Alright, so you guys are back on the show. It's been 3 months. How has you been?
Well, he's been good now. He actually wipes his ass after the toilet. He doesn't use the Rubik's Cube. He actually puts Hot Pockets in the microwave. And he actually sleeps well.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Would you like to say anything to the camera? Hi. Oh, well. I mean, it's better now. So.
Does he talk? Like, that much?
Not really.
Has he been sexually active yet?
That's something that's personal to him, I'm guessing. He's alright. Alright, Zion. I have to go to a job interview. Alright, take care. Sweet dreams. I'll be home by 8:30. Alright? See you later.
gun, don't need a gun.
What the fuck are you doing? Wait.
Say something.
No, just do it. No, you had it. Zion? Who's that? In school, this one time, he was walking in the.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's supposed to be like, Oh yeah, okay.
I have to say my way. What the?
Cancel. It's
Oh
cancel.
yeah, I forgot.
Okay. Wait.
Just press 1.
Don't record that.
I did.
I said move. Boy, I said move. My nigga.
Take your shirt off, dickhead.
Alright.
It's gonna be okay.
This nigga really fell asleep.
No, why?
Go.
Is this what you want? Is this what you want?
Like I said, have you completed a Rubik's Cube ever in your life?
Yes.
Yes. Ooh, nigga.
Yes.
What do you... Oh my god. A set. What do you mean? A set. Have you ever completed one?